Hello, I am Dr. Che and you are watching my YouTube channel. In this video, we will talk about how to write introductions for discuss both side essays. How to write introductions for discuss both side essays. As you know, this is essay writing course in particular for IELTS and TOEFL students, in general for any English essay in any college or university English essay. So please subscribe to my channel. Look at the description box for updates and links to my Facebook groups. Like and comment to encourage me. Share with other students to help them, and subscribe to my channel and press bell icon to get more free courses on vocabulary, grammar, writing, speaking, listening and reading also. This is an overview of my essay writing course. I would start from assessment criteria or marking criteria, four marking criteria, then time management, how to plan essay, how to generate ideas for essays, how to paraphrase, how to write introductions, conclusions, topic, sentences, types of essay, discuss both and give your opinion essay. These are types of essay that I will cover each type of essay. Nowadays we are the first one. I would write more than 15 model essays in my course and explain you step by step. Open playlist of my channel and watch complete course in order. Link is given below in the description box. In this video we will learn how to write introductions and discuss both side essays. Your writing task for these types of essay would look like this. For example, this one, the same I have discussed earlier. Some people believe that every human being can create art, for example, poetry, music, paintings. Other people think that art can only be created by people born with a special ability. Discuss both sides and give your opinion. So as you know, this is discuss both sides and give your opinion essay, and there are two opinions, opinion 1 and opinion 2, and we need to learn how to write introduction in this kind of essay. You would be given two opposite or different statements or opinions, and you would be asked to discuss both of them and give your own opinion also. Now your opinion could be, you could agree with statement 1, you could agree with statement 2, or you can partly agree with both of them, or you can completely disagree. Now this is the last one, is not very common, but you can have any of these types. Here we are only going to discuss how to write introduction. More details are in other videos. Here it is only how to write introduction. Your introduction would depend on your opinion. You have to do three things in introduction of these kind of essays. Three things. Number one is background statement. You need to give a background statement that would be an overview of your general plus specific topic. This is a background statement. Then you need to present or introduce both sides of arguments. You need to present both sides of arguments. You need to present both opinions. This is just paraphrasing of your writing task, and you have to give your own opinion also. These three things you have to discuss in the introduction. If you do all of these things, your introduction is complete. Background statement would be a general sentence about the general topic of the essay. For example, in this essay the general topic is relationship between human being and art. This is the general topic. So I would write a general sentence like this. Let us have a look at my general essay sentence. Art has remained a part of human life since the beginning of its existence on the earth. This is just a background statement. You can make any other statement. Nowadays more and more people like to make work of art, something like that. You can use any background statement that is general and about specific topic also, but don't discuss opinions in background statement. Then after background statement you need to write this sentence. You need to decide what your opinion is. In this essay, opinion 1 is some people believe that every human being can create art. Every human being can create art, has ability to write a poetry, music, painting. And the second opinion is some people think that art can only be created by people born with a special ability. This is opinion number 2. Now you have to decide before writing introductions. You have to decide what your opinion is. Either you agree with first opinion, or you agree with second opinion, or you partly agree with both opinions. Most of time we agree with one of the opinions, so I would teach you it is better to agree with one of the opinions. So we don't need to create a masterpiece in IELTS exam or TOEFL exam. We need to just discuss achieve or required band score. Here I would agree with the second statement, that people to create a special kind of art, you should have a special ability. So my opinion is second one. Mostly two opinions in the question would be given in separate two opinions would be given in separate questions, in separate sentences, and in the question would be given in separate sentences. So there is a golden opportunity to use a concession. For example, while sentence, it would make your sentence advanced and complex. So if these two opinions would be given in separate sentences, you can join these sentences with conjunctions like while, although, something like that. This would make your sentence advanced and complex. So this is a golden opportunity, so don't miss this opportunity. So how you would write that your introduction? First of all, you will write a background statement, and after background statement you would start in this kind of essay, discuss both sides and give your opinion. You would write while plus opposite opinion, and then comma plus my opinion. This would be your thesis statement plus your opinion. For example, this is while, and some people believe that every human being can create art. Here would be art. And a second opinion, I agree with those who think art can only be created by people born with a special ability. So I have changed the sentence from two simple sentences to a complex sentence with concession while, with use of conjunction while. So this is a subordinating conjunction. This is independent clause. So I have joined them to make a complex sentence. But there is problem with this sentence. I have copied all of the words from the task and I have pasted here. So this is wrong. I have done one step of paraphrasing. For complete video on paraphrasing, go to the grammar course of my channel, and you would see there is a complete video on paraphrasing, how to paraphrase. I have changed order of clause and made a complex sentence, but you can also say I have used concession. But the problem is 95% words in this complex sentence are exactly copied from the task. There is just copy paste. Okay, the examiner would just cross out this complete sentence and they would not include this sentence in the word count. Why? Because I have copied both two sentences and made one sentence, and there is no change in any word or any kind of change. So this is just copy paste, and this I am not showing any language to the examiner. The examiner would cross out this complete sentence and would not include this in the total word count. I would lose marks. So I have to do the next step of paraphrasing, use synonyms, different forms of words and similar things to change my sentence. So I will change believe with feel. Every human being with everybody can create with is able to create. Art, I would change it to work of art. Think, I would change into believe. Create as verb, I will change into a creation. That is a noun. Born with a special ability, I would change into a natural talent. So now I will make it I will paraphrase it in this way. Now my sentence would look like this after complete paraphrasing. While some people while some feel that we don't need to use people here. While some feel that everybody is able to create a piece of art, I agree with those I agree with those who believe that creation of art is only possible with natural talent. Creation of art is only possible with natural talent. So I have paraphrased. First of all, I have made a complex sentence. Then I have changed the words. While some feel that everybody is able to create a piece of art, I agree with those who believe that creation of art is only possible with natural talent. So now this is complete paraphrasing. Now your introduction is complete. Now let us have a look at complete introduction. This is a background statement. Art has remained a part of human life since the beginning of its existence on the earth. You can add any other background statement. While some feel that everybody is able to create a piece of art, I agree with those who believe that creation of art is only possible with natural talent. So now there is complete paraphrasing and there is a complete introduction. I would write a lot of model essays in my essay writing course, and I would teach you in details how to write introductions and how to write every step of your essays. This is my writing correction service. I would start my correction service in the last 6 months of 2021. I would hire an IELTS expert from UK, a native English teacher preferably. We would both work together to provide you advanced, comprehensive and cheap writing correction service. This is my Facebook ID. You can send me a friend request. You can ask me any question. You can send me a message. And you can also join my Facebook groups. Links are given below in the description box. Stay in touch with me if I can start this service earlier and for any other question or preparation. At the end, the same thing, subscribe to my channel. Look at the description box for updates and links to my Facebook groups. Like and comment to encourage me. Share with other students to help them, and subscribe to my channel and press bell icon, this one, to get more free courses on vocabulary, grammar, writing, speaking, listening and reading also. Thank you very much.